Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name's Lauren, and in today's video I am going to be sharing 5 of the oldest pieces in my wardrobe and styling them in new ways. In this year of my no-buy, I really want to take the time to appreciate the pieces that I already have in my wardrobe. And I feel like sometimes the longer something stays in our closet, the less exciting it sort of feels. The novelty of newness sort of wears off. And so I thought it would be fun to pull out the 5 oldest pieces in my wardrobe and style them in different ways than I have before. And whether that's styling it with different colors or different silhouettes, I really wanted to push myself and style them in exciting ways to make these pieces that I've had for years and years feel new again. Okay, so for this video, we're gonna go from newest to oldest and finish with the oldest piece in my wardrobe. I think that'll be fun. And so the first piece I got in 2017, 2018, and it is this Zara cropped studded faux leather jacket. I remember very specifically buying this because I hadn't really bought much online by that point in my life. That wasn't a huge thing back in 2017, at least for me. And so I was on vacation and I was gonna miss out on like the big Zara sale. And so I was like, oh, I'll see what they have online. And I saw this and they had my size and I was like, yes. So I put it in my cart and I have worn this a ton since I got it. It's like a real true statement piece. So I would wear it with, you know, a more basic outfit and this would make it feel more special. It's a super soft faux leather and the studs have all stayed on, which I feel like is a miracle. When I first got this jacket, I would really just wear it with like jeans, t-shirt, or like something all black, an all black dress, plaid skirt with black running through with black boots. The outfits had a very edgy aesthetic, at least for me. And so styling it today, I wanted to take a bit of a softer take on it. So I put together a t-shirt and a midi skirt, which is something I've styled with this jacket before, but the t-shirt was a cream with a purple graphic on it from Phoebe Bridgers. And the skirt was a navy color in a soft cotton A-line shape. And then I just threw on these knee-high boots with the heel. And I feel like it just gives a bit of a softer feel to this jacket. It kind of softens the overall look with these softer colors. I really like how it turned out. It definitely feels more like me and sort of gives new life to this piece that I've had for a really long time. Okay, so this next piece I picked up in 2010, 2011. And I remember it because it was my first trip to the thrift store. And it is this plaid wool blazer from the brand White Stag. And I remember very clearly getting this also because my friend asked me if I wanted to go to the thrift store and I was like, what is that? What are you talking about? And she told me and we went and it was incredible and my life will forever be changed because that is when I started falling in love with the thrift store. And this jacket is great because it's a bit oversized, it's very warm and comfortable, it's fully lined, it's very high quality, you know, it's in great shape, even, you know, whatever, 15 years later. And I have worn this a ton. This is something that has always felt like me. I'm not much of a blazer girl these days, but when I do want to wear a blazer, this is the one that I usually reach for, this or a brown one. But it just, the colors and the plaid and the silhouette is just, I really hit the jackpot with this being my first thrift find because it's just so beautiful and I'm really happy that I have it in my wardrobe. So with the outfit that I created today, I wanted to do something I'd never done before. So my first thought was to play with silhouette with this jacket because it is quite oversized. I would usually wear a slimmer pant with it. And so today I went with a wide leg. I went with these corduroy wide leg pants from Levi's. And then I wanted to bring in some more like warm tones to balance out this cooler toned blue and green jacket. So I went with my Modelo t-shirt, which has like the yellows and the reds. And I thought that that was a really nice contrast. And then just to finish it off, I just threw on these burgundy flats. I thought it went well with the other colors in the outfit and really just lets the jacket and the t-shirt contrast kind of be the star of the outfit. I really like how this turned out. This is definitely something that I would wear out running errands, meeting friends, definitely keeping it in my brain for a future day. The next item that I have, I acquired in 2010, and it's actually a hand-me-down, so it's much older, and it's this cable knit sweater that was my grandpa's. So he unfortunately passed away, and I saw this in his closet when we were kind of going through his things, and I was like, I need this. I feel like he was always wearing these very comfy sweaters, and I feel like this is something that I don't want to, be donated or be thrown away. And so I adopted it and I love her so much. Also, let's appreciate this vintage tag here because it is so good. I think this is 100% wool. It's extremely warm, but also very breathable, which is why I love it so much. And every winter I get so excited to wear this because of many reasons. It's very comfortable. It's very soft. It's a beautiful cream color. And of course it reminds me of my grandpa. So this has gotten a lot of wear, which made it difficult for me to create an outfit, but I managed. I ended up styling it with this thrifted loft dress that I love so much. I styled this with everything. I've never styled this sweater with a dress before, and so I thought this cream dress with this cream sweater would be really pretty together. And then I just added my Fry moto boots with this, and I just think it came out so nice. This is definitely something that a couple of years ago I would not have worn. I didn't have the capacity to wear a fully light color outfit like that. I would have spilled something all over myself. And granted, I'm not wearing this to the park, but I think I could get away with wearing it to a dinner or something and manage to not get anything on myself. And I just think this has been such a fun video to film because I really am seeing all these pieces in a new light. I have never styled this with a dress, and I have had it for 15 years. So I'm just really excited to keep kind of exploring these older pieces in my wardrobe and getting more wear out of them. The next item is something that I acquired in 2007, 2008, and it's these high top Converse, but when I got them, they were not this color. They were actually blue. They looked like this, and I wore them with yellow laces in high school, and my mom called them my clown shoes, and it was great. And so I had those in high school. I wore them with yellow laces, and then as I got older, I just wore them with white laces. But as I grew up, it got harder and harder for me to style these blue Converse. So they sort of sat in the back of my closet, but I was like, I'm not getting rid of them. They're in great shape. They're high top. I like that silhouette. There's no reason for me to get rid of them. They're great shoes. And so a couple of years ago, I realized I could just dye them a different color. And so I bleached them, I dyed them black, which you're not supposed to do. Don't do that. Nothing bad happened, but if you use grit dye, they tell you to use color remover or just dye over it. And now, today, I would have just dyed them black over the blue, but hindsight's 2020. But anyway, it was just so great to be able to give this piece of my wardrobe that I've had for such a long time new life just by buying an $8 box of dye and spending a couple of hours, checking on it. And then when I dyed them black, I was wearing them so much more. It was great because, I didn't have to buy a black pair of Converse. I already had a pair of high tops. So I just dyed them the color that I thought I would get more wear out of. And I really have. So for today's outfit, because I've had these for a really long time, there isn't a lot of scenarios where I haven't worn them. So I did do something I've done before, which is this thrifted drapey pant with the Converse. But I did decide to do a t-shirt and a vest over it. And I really like how it turned out. And what's fun about this outfit is the whole thing is thrifted, except for these shoes, obviously. So the t-shirt is originally from Zara, and the vest is from And Other Stories. And then the pants, I think, are from Ellen Tracy. I think is the brand. And I really like this outfit. It is a little bit out of my comfort zone just because it's totally black and white from head to toe, and that's just not a color scheme that I've been reaching for these days. But I do really love the drapey pant with the loose vest and like sort of the longer sleeve t-shirt. I think that's really nice. If this outfit was on somebody else, I would really, really, really love it. But on me, I don't know if it's successful or not. What do you guys think? Do you like this outfit? And finally, we have the final piece in my wardrobe, the piece that I've had the longest, and that is this Disney t-shirt. And what's fun about this is this was my mom's, and she actually gave it to me as like a sleep shirt when I was a kid. So this has been like giant, too big on me, and now it actually fits me properly. And so it's kind of funny to like look back and remember how it felt to wear it when you were like 10, and then now, you know, I'm 33 and it fits me just like a normal t-shirt. I love the like long raglan short sleeve. I just really like this shirt, and it took me a while to realize how much I liked it. So I wasn't really styling it with my actual wardrobe until I was in my early 20s. Up until that point, I was still wearing it just for sleep. But once I kind of hit my 20s and through today, I really appreciate how like interesting this silhouette is. It's fun for me to incorporate this into my wardrobe because it's different from all my other short sleeve t-shirts. But I will say I haven't styled this as much as I want to because red has been difficult for me to style in the past, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. This year I got this like red leather coat and like a couple of other red items, and so I think it's becoming easier for me to style red. So to style this t-shirt today, I started off with an outfit formula that I wear all the time, which is a graphic tee and these trousers. I loved the ketchup and mustard color combination. The minute I put this on, I was like, yes. Which is crazy that I've never worn this together, but like I said, I didn't know how to style red, so I'd really only wear it with denim. But I think the mustard and the red look really good together, and then I just threw on this brown belt and then a pair of kind of cute printed fruit socks. Those are from Urban Outfitters. And then I finished the look with my Dr. Martin slingback clogs just to add like a little more of a cooler tone with this overall very warm toned outfit. All right, that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss anything from me, make sure to subscribe. I put out new videos on Sunday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.